take a look at number 6 to number 10 from Beyer preparation exercise. The first note says C. On the music it doesn't say the fingering, but I want you to use the first finger on C. Remember, this C is not right here. This is the middle C. This is the center of keyboard. Middle C is a little bit left side of this. And right here is this C. Number 7. I'm going to put metronome on for number 8. So I typically start with 60 with my students, metronome 60. So this is quarter note, 1 count. One, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 10. 1, 2, 3,